It might be hot. Be careful. You try.
Dark blue is the color of this popsicle
Is it
ball
hot?
of dough. Pull it off the stick and pull it apart. Here we go. Can you see what's inside? It's something pink. A shoe, yes. This looks like Barbie's shoe, doesn't it? Let's flatten and roll the dough to make our own cool dough shoe. This one's gonna be a big shoe. It could fit a giant.
Nom, nom,
We're
nom.
ready for the stamper to go inside.
Eat your food.
Let's check if it's working. Ready? Wow.
Nom, nom, nom.
Blue shoe. We can walk to step it into place. And which color is
Eat your
this one?
food. Chew. Swallow.
Good job.
You ready?
What do
Okay.
you think will be hiding in the green dough? Pull it apart and let's find out. I can see something yellow inside. Ice cream. Yum yum. Now we can prepare the dough to make our ice cream shape. My favorite flavor is strawberry ice cream. What's yours? Let's pull away the extra dough and push it towards the ice cream scoop. Wow. Yummy in my tummy. Ice cream for everyone. This one's got sprinkles on it too. I love sprinkles, do you? Blue is the color of our next dough to play with. Split it and squeeze it to find out what's inside. What's this? It's a pacifier to help babies go to sleep. Squish, squash the dough together.
I love you.
Pull it out nice and flat.
Give me a kiss.
Is it ready for the cutter? Yes.
Say, I
Let's
love you,
push it in
Papa.
and press it down.
I love you, Samantha.
Now for the stamp, make sure to push it down so that it makes the picture. Hurrah! We've got a blue pacifier now. Okay, friends, what color is our last popsicle dough ball? Yellow, that's right. It looks like the sun, doesn't it? Slide it off the stick and spread it out to find out our next dough shape to make. It's red in color and has wheels. What do you think it could be? Yay, it's a car! Vroom vroom! Let's park it here whilst we shape our dough. Roll the dough out and far to make our new sports car. First is the cutter and press down hard. Take away the extra dough and get ready for the stamp. Press, push, and stamp.
Nom, nom. What is
Ready
yours?
for a road trip.
Nom,
Let's say the names and colors
nom,
of our
nom,
new
nom.
babies.
Nom, 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 nom.
Rainbow is pink. Duck is red. Shoe is blue. Ice cream is
Nom, nom, nom,
pacifier
nom.
is blue. Car is yellow. Hello, friends. Look at all the Play-Doh we've got. Oh, where are all the animals going? We need to find out. Let's go. Look, friends. There's an animal hanging from this tree. I wonder what it is. Shout out if you know. Oh, I know what this is. It's a monkey. Can you see its long tail? It's going to the Play-Doh.
Oh, sorry.
Color pink.
Sorry. Are you okay?
Wow. Look at this.
Nah.
Let's use it on Start by flattening it out. Use the roller.
Eat.
We'll make the Play-Doh nice and thin. Just like this. Now we can use the cutter. I'll press it into the Play-Doh. We don't need this part. Okay. Let's use the other part of the cutter.
Where's mommy?
We made a monkey.
Does that work?
Monkeys
Mommy's
like
at
to eat
work?
lots of fruit, especially bananas.
She's outside at work.
They live high up in trees. That means they're great at climbing.
Where's Papalo?
I found another
Sleeping?
animal. It's on this tree.
What's Mamala
This is
doing?
called a koala. What color will it pick? It's
Resting?
green. We'll need a cutter. Wow.
What's Papa
Did you
doing?
see that? Let's make a green koala.
Papa's going to
I'll
work.
squash the Play-Doh.
Yeah, Papa's got to go to work.
I'll use the roller.
after we eat
It's
this
like
pizza.
making a pizza. That looks good. Let's use the koala cutter.
And what
We'll
is
use
Samantha
this part
doing?
first. This will give us the outline. Then we can remove the extra Play-Doh.
What is
We'll
Samantha
leave the other
doing?
part of the cutter. I'll push it into the Play-Doh. We've got a koala.
What are you doing?
Koalas come from a country called
You're eating
Australia.
pizza?
They like to live in eucalyptus trees. And
You're
their
eating
favorite
pizza?
food is eucalyptus leaves. They also like to sleep all day. All that eating makes them tired. Do you know what this animal is called? Shout out nice and loud. Yes, it's a cow. Can you moo like a cow?
One last bite and then I gotta go.
Good job, friends. What color should we use now? How about
Here,
this
eat
one?
it.
This is called purple.
One last bite.
All
Where are you
I
going?
need is a cutter. Here it
Hey.
is. It looks just like a cow. Let's squash it. You know where cows
Where are you going? I said one last bite.
You got it.
I said one last bite and we're gonna go.
We can use the cutter now.
Come on. Where are you going? Hi.
We'll need the other part of the cutter now.
Come on. Come on. Eat it.
Cows like to eat lots of grass.
Okay. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Love you.
I love you.
They like being
Okay.
around people.
Bye-bye.
Great sense of
Bye.
smell. Wow, look at these animals.
Bye bye.
Do you know what
Bye-bye.
they're